Stripo Email Marketing Tool Review Usage Experience. Links to Stripo are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Stripo, an advanced email design tool that simplifies email creation with a focus on professional templates, interactive elements, and seamless integrations. Unlike traditional email marketing platforms that primarily focus on campaign management, Stripo is built specifically for designing high-quality emails that can be exported to various email service providers, ESPs. Stripo is ideal for marketers, designers, and businesses that need a flexible and efficient way to create visually appealing emails. The platform offers a drag-and-drop editor along with an HTML editor for those who prefer coding. One of its standout features is the modular email design system, which allows users to create reusable content blocks, significantly reducing email creation time. Stripo also supports interactive elements like AMP emails, embedded countdown timers, and dynamic content, making emails more engaging and conversion-focused. Another key advantage is its built-in email testing tool, which ensures emails look perfect across different devices and email clients. It also includes an email preview feature, so you can check responsiveness before sending. For businesses working in teams, Stripo provides collaboration tools, allowing multiple users to work on the same project with role-based access. The platform integrates with over 75 ESPs and CRMs, including MailChimp, HubSpot, and SendGrid, enabling seamless workflow transfers. Stripo offers a free plan with access to basic features, while premium plans provide advanced automation, additional templates, and enhanced integrations. Whether you're a freelancer, agency, or enterprise, Stripo's efficiency and design flexibility make it a great choice for creating high-quality, responsive emails without coding hassles. If you're looking for a powerful email design tool to streamline your workflow and improve email performance, Stripo is worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details.